vibration, ultrasound, thermal. I'm curious, from your perspective, why did you choose to focus your most recent career on electrical current analysis?
Because very few people were doing it.
Yeah.
The reason I got into electric machines is because I got out and I looked around. I wanted information that wasn't there because everybody was retiring or nearing retirement or died. There was very few people getting involved. I mean, how many engineers do you know that design motors on paper still? That's gone. They rely solely on software. So as things went on, I was looking at all the different technologies. I felt there was something missing, and then I ran into electrical signature analysis, and I saw its possibilities, and I saw that really it hadn't advanced.
Yeah, you chose this career path because no one else was doing it, and you said, "Hey, I have the skills. I have the ability to go out and learn. I want to push this industry forward." That's amazing.